Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions review of these Tory Burch Kira Sport Sandals. These have been on my radar for the longest time now. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love dad sandals. I actually have a bunch of dad sandals from fast fashion brands. I was obsessed with dad sandals for a while, so I bought a bunch, and I actually have reviews on them, which I'll just link up above. However, it's been some time since I've had those sandals, and a lot of them have actually peeled already and are unusable. So I thought it was finally time to upgrade because I realized that this style is something that I actually really wear often, and I definitely get my money's worth out of them. But before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm trying to reach 5,000 subscribers next on this channel, so if these are types of videos that you like watching, then I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at @ChurchDLF on Instagram. So let's get into the unboxing. As I mentioned, I have been obsessed with this style for a while now. It was really the Chanel dad sandals that got me into this style. If only I could afford the Chanel dad sandals, then I would have gotten that. However, it's just too expensive for what it is. So these Tory Burch Kira Sport Sandals will do for now. I decided to buy these because the fast fashion brands that I had for a while now have already started to peel, and I actually really do need a new pair of dad sandals, so I thought, why not finally invest in a leather pair? A lot of my Tory Burch shoes are still alive and they've stood the test of time, so I feel like this will also last me a while, and finally investing in a leather pair will finally make me stop buying fast fashion brands that break after a while. So this style has proven timeless in my wardrobe, so I thought, you know, why not just finally go for it. So this is just what it looks like. It comes with this green Tory Burch dust bag, and these are the shoes. And this is what the sandals look like. They're in black Napa leather for both the outsole and the insole, and in gold hardware with the Tory Burch logo. To put these on, it's just a strap mechanism for the front part. It's not at the back like other dad sandals, and you can also adjust the front strap as well. They're just this beautiful platform type of dad sandals, and majority of the fast fashion brands I had look like this, the only exception being that they weren't in leather. So because they have already started to peel, I decided to get a leather one so that this would last me longer. What I like about this is the sole is also made in leather, so I know that this would definitely last me a long time without it peeling. I'll just do close-ups, but I think this is a very beautifully made dad sandal. The dad sandals that I've had in the past have all equally been used and abused, and I just know that this design is something that I will continue to wear in the far future. For the sole, it's just a rubber sole, which makes it pretty comfortable. The platform is actually also pretty thick, so I feel like that's going to be really good for long walks as well. For my sizing, I'm a US 8, I'm a Euro 39 and Zara shoes, and I fit true to size. I am also a size 8 in these Tory Burch sandals. I am also, I believe, a size 8 in their flats. These are really beautiful on the foot, matches with a lot of outfits. For me, it doesn't really pick any season since I'm in a tropical country, so I wear these types of shoes anytime. But yeah, these are just gorgeous, and I'm really impressed with the quality. I haven't worn them out yet, so I'll just do an updated video on like the wear and tear and the wearability and their comfort factor once I've started using them out. So that's about it. Thanks guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions down below. If you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!